Welcome back to Live Healthy Everyday channel. Best tips of all time. Imagine waking up every day with boundless energy, a sharp mind, and a body that feels years younger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Today I'm going to share with you Dr. Berg's ultimate upgraded health tips, the ones born from real-life mistakes, years of research, and thousands of success stories. Stick with me, because these are not your average eat more greens tips. These are actionable strategies that can transform your health, starting today. Let's start with one of the simplest yet most overlooked rules. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're not. It sounds obvious, but most of us eat out of habit. Snacking after dinner, grabbing a bite because it's lunchtime, or nibbling while watching TV. Your body doesn't run on the clock, it runs on need. Waiting until true hunger signals appear gives your digestive system a break and allows your metabolism to work more efficiently. When you eat without hunger, you overload the system, leading to weight gain, sluggishness, and even insulin resistance. We've all heard drink 8 glasses of water a day, but that advice can actually backfire. Overhydration dilutes your electrolytes, especially sodium, and can leave you more dehydrated. Instead, trust your body. When you feel thirsty, drink. And here's an insider trick. Carbonated water often hydrates better for some people. Dr. Berg also swears by sun tea, herbal tea bags steeped in a gallon of water under sunlight for 1-2 hours. The infrared rays create structured water, which your body absorbs more effectively. Confused by keto, paleo, vegan, and a dozen other diet plans? The truth is no single diet works for everyone. Instead of blindly following trends, try one approach for a few weeks and see how you feel. Then try another. Your body will tell you what works. Energy levels, digestion, mood, all will give you clues. When you eat is just as important as what you eat. Intermittent fasting triggers powerful processes, recycling damaged proteins, creating new tissue, and destroying harmful microbes. Our ancestors didn't snack every hour. They ate less often and stayed healthier. If you stop eating between meals, you'll lower insulin levels, encourage fat burning, and allow your body to repair itself. Carbs hide everywhere, in breads, pasta, sauces, and even sugar-free snacks that use starches like maltodextrin. Keep your daily carbs under 30 grams. This one step alone can help control blood sugar, improve energy, and accelerate weight loss. Ask your doctor for a fasting insulin test. High insulin often appears 10-15 years before diabetes does. Catch it early, and you can prevent the disease entirely. Also, test your vitamin D levels. It influences 10% of your genes and is essential for immune health. Most people need far more than they realize. 10,000, 20,000 IU daily for optimal results. Magnesium, vital for muscle relaxation, nerve function, and helping vitamin D work. Potassium, a natural tranquilizer that supports heart health, lowers blood pressure, and boosts energy. Aim for 4,700 milligrams a day, mostly from leafy greens, avocados, and salmon. Trace minerals. Modern soil lacks many micronutrients. Supplement with zinc, iodine, selenium, and manganese to fill the gap. Most mass-market multivitamins are made from cheap synthetic ingredients, not real food. If you're going to invest in your health, choose supplements made from whole food sources, especially if you're giving them to children or pregnant women. Grass-fed red meat delivers high-quality protein, B vitamins, and other essential nutrients that stabilize blood sugar and boost energy. This isn't about eating steak every day, it's about incorporating the highest quality proteins your body thrives on. Antibiotics can permanently alter your gut microbiome. Restore it by making your own probiotic-rich yogurt or fermented foods. A healthy gut supports digestion, immunity, and even mood. Pushing too hard in workouts without recovery can lower testosterone, trigger inflammation, and sap your energy. Exercise is essential, but so is rest. If you overindulge in carbs, take vitamin B1 to help counteract anxiety, fatigue, and cravings caused by depletion of this nutrient. Iron stays in the body and can build up to dangerous levels. Only supplement if you're losing blood, and choose food-based sources like beef liver. After 50, muscle atrophy becomes more common. Combine regular weight training with proper nutrition, especially magnesium, to keep your body strong and metabolically active. Before surgery, take 50,000-100,000 IU of vitamin D3 in the days leading up to it. This can improve healing and reduce complications. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, Adequate vitamin D prevents postpartum depression and supports your baby's health. Tap water can contain forever chemicals thousands of times over safe limits. Invest in a quality water filter. It's one of the best health decisions you can make. These aren't just tips, they're your roadmap to optimal health. Start with one, master it, then add another. Your future self will thank you. Daily habits to maximize the benefits of health principles. Small, consistent habits can multiply the impact of the health tips you've already learned. It's not just about what you eat or when you eat, it's about the entire ecosystem of your daily life. Start your morning with light and movement. Right after waking, expose yourself to natural sunlight for 10-20 minutes. This sets your circadian rhythm, improves sleep quality at night, and boosts morning alertness. Combine this with light stretching or a short walk to increase blood flow and activate your muscles without spiking cortisol too aggressively. Upgrade your cooking oils. Even if you cut carbs and follow intermittent fasting, the wrong fats can sabotage your health. Ditch seed oils like soybean, canola, and sunflower. They oxidize easily and promote inflammation. Replace them with extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, or grass-fed butter. Healthy fats support hormone production, brain health, and energy stability. Optimize meal composition for satiety. Design each meal to include high-quality protein, healthy fat, and fiber-rich vegetables. This combination keeps blood sugar stable, reduces cravings, and allows you to go longer between meals without hunger. For example, grilled salmon, a large salad with olive oil, and roasted broccoli can keep you satisfied for hours. Strategic use of herbs and spices. Spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger have powerful anti-inflammatory and blood sugar balancing properties. Adding them to your meals is a low-effort way to enhance nutrient absorption and overall health. Post-meal movement for better blood sugar control. After eating, take a slow 10-15 minute walk. This simple activity helps muscles absorb glucose from the blood, lowering blood sugar spikes and improving insulin sensitivity over time. Consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day reinforces hormonal balance and recovery. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep. Use a cool, dark, and quiet environment for maximum rest quality. Mindful breathing to lower stress hormones. Chronic stress undermines many health principles by keeping insulin and cortisol elevated. Practice 5 minutes of deep diaphragmatic breathing twice a day. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6-8 seconds. This signals your nervous system to relax, aiding digestion and fat metabolism. Keep healthy snacks invisible. The best way to stop snacking is to remove temptation. Keep high-carb, processed foods out of sight, or better yet, out of the house. Store fresh vegetables, boiled eggs, or cheese sticks in visible spots in the fridge for when true hunger hits. Smart hydration timing. Drink most of your fluids between meals, not during. Too much liquid during meals can dilute stomach acid, slowing digestion and nutrient absorption. Use tea, carbonated water, or electrolyte-rich drinks if you feel fatigued or dehydrated. Reflect and adjust weekly. Once a week, review your habits. Are you still skipping snacks? Is your carb intake under 30 grams? Are you consistent with vitamin D, magnesium, and potassium? Tracking progress helps reinforce good behavior and spot problem areas early. Health supplements that many people overlook but have powerful effects. While vitamins D, magnesium, and potassium are crucial, there's another layer of nutrients and lifestyle upgrades that can take your results to the next level. Many of these are often ignored, but they can be game changers for energy, immunity, and longevity. Omega-3 fatty acids for inflammation control. Cold water fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in EPA and DHA, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. If you rarely eat these, consider a high-quality fish oil or krill oil supplement. Omega-3s support heart health, brain function, joint mobility, and even improve insulin sensitivity. Vitamin K2 for calcium management. Vitamin K2 works hand-in-hand with vitamin D to direct calcium into bones and teeth instead of arteries and soft tissues. Without enough K2, high vitamin D intake can lead to calcification where you don't want it. The best sources are grass-fed dairy, aged cheese, and natto. Collagen and gelatin for joint and skin health. As we age, collagen production drops, leading to wrinkles, weaker joints, and reduced tissue repair. Bone broth, collagen peptides, and gelatin-rich meats can help restore structural proteins and support skin elasticity. Electrolyte balance beyond sodium. Dr. Berg highlights potassium and magnesium, but sodium and chloride also play essential roles, especially if you're on a low-carb or ketogenic diet. Low sodium can cause fatigue, headaches, and muscle cramps. Use high-quality sea salt or Himalayan pink salt to season your food. Antioxidant-rich foods for cellular protection. Berries, dark leafy greens, cocoa, and green tea are packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a driver of aging and chronic disease. Rotate these foods into your diet to keep your antioxidant defense system strong. Fermented foods for ongoing gut health. Beyond probiotic supplements, foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and miso provide a wide range of beneficial bacteria. These support digestion, immune function, and mental health. Strength and resistance training as a longevity tool. Maintaining muscle mass isn't just about looks, it's about metabolic health, mobility, and independence as you age. 2 to 3 sessions of resistance training per week can dramatically slow age-related decline. Reduce toxin exposure where possible. Choose glass over plastic food containers. Avoid non-stick pans that release harmful chemicals, and use natural cleaning products. Over time, reducing your toxic load can improve liver function and hormone balance. Micro-movement throughout the day. Even if you work out regularly, long periods of sitting harm circulation and insulin sensitivity. Stand, stretch, or walk for a minute every hour to keep your metabolism active. Personal health testing and customization. Regularly check your blood work beyond the basics. Look at fasting insulin, CRP inflammation marker, ferritin iron storage, and omega-3 index. Adjust your diet and supplements based on real data, not guesswork. When you integrate these often overlooked nutrients and lifestyle upgrades with the principles you've already learned, you create a robust, layered approach to health. You're not just following rules, you're building a body and mind that can thrive for decades to come. If this video gave you ideas you can act on right away, I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts or your own health hacks in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Live Healthy Every Day so you never miss a tip that could change your life. Your next level of health might be one small habit away.